Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook glass noodles. Glass noodles, also known as cellophane noodles, are a versatile ingredient made from starches like mung bean or sweet potato. One simple way to prepare them is by soaking. Just place your dried noodles in a large bowl and cover them completely with very hot tap water. Let them soak for about 5 to 15 minutes until they become soft and transparent. This method is perfect for delicate dishes. Another effective method for cooking glass noodles is boiling, especially when you need them quickly for soups or stir-fries. Bring a medium-sized pot of water to a rolling boil. Add the noodles and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes. They will turn transparent and become tender. Immediately drain the noodles and rinse them thoroughly under cold water. This stops the cooking process and washes away excess starch, preventing stickiness. To avoid common pitfalls like sticky or mushy noodles, remember a few key tips. First, never overcook them. Glass noodles cook very quickly, often in just a few minutes. After cooking, always rinse them well with cold water to remove the starchy coating that causes sticking. For extra separation, toss the drained noodles with about 1 teaspoon of sesame or vegetable oil. Using a large pot with plenty of water also helps them cook evenly. Once your glass noodles are perfectly prepared, the culinary possibilities are endless. You can add soaked noodles directly to a hot stir-fry, allowing them to absorb all the delicious sauce. For soups, incorporate boiled noodles during the final few minutes of cooking. They are also fantastic served cold in vibrant salads with a light, tangy dressing. Their neutral flavor and ability to soak up sauces make them a wonderful addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.